couple of weeks. And if you find yourself in a setting, any setting, at the park, in your living room, at the office, with people you don't live with, please put your mask on. Please put your mask on. Mask wearing is one of the simplest things we can do with the biggest impact. It's become political. It's unfortunate. I'm just going to tell you the facts right now. Not my opinion, not what, just the facts. In a new study from the University of Washington, it showed that if 95% of Americans wore masks around other people, and we didn't change anything else, didn't close businesses, didn't reduce any of the social gatherings, we would save 100,000 lives in the next 4 months. So, this is what I'm asking you to do. Dr. Alexander Scott talks frequently, she loves to, and she's great at it, talk about the 3 W's, wear your mask, wash your hands, and watch your distance. Today I want to add for you to think about the 3 I's, which is situations to avoid: informal, indoors, and inconsistent groups, because that's where the spread is happening. Unstructured events outside of your home, in casual environments where folks take their mask off. As I said, we're in a bad place. We're not in a good place. We need to turn the corner, and so I'm struggling to find ways to encourage folks and communicate, given the fact that we're all sick and tired of doing this. And most of you may be hearing me saying, yeah, Dov, I'm already doing it. We're doing this. I wear a mask wherever I go. So I'm giving you really specific things to do. Make that list of people you must be with over the next couple of weeks, and limit your interaction to being with those people. And all of the nice to haves, hanging out with friends after work, going out for drinks or dinner with a big group, lots of play dates, I'm asking you not to do it. And if you are with folks who you don't live with, put your mask on. Even if it feels strange, even if it feels